Hello everyone, I am K. Srivastav. I teach mathematics in main branch Asian Public School Ramnagar. In today's video, I am going to explain linear equation in one variable. From algebra, one question writes, what is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement that two expressions are equal. As 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 is an equation. 7 plus 5 is 12 is an equation. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is one expression and 7 is the other expression. These two expressions are equal to each other. So an equation, so this is an equation. Okay? 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 is also an equation. Now algebraic expression. Algebraic equation is an equation which contains one or more variables. It is an equation which contains one or more variables. Thus, 4x plus 5, 4x plus 7 is equal to 35 is a linear equation in one variable. It contains variable x of first degree. Now process for solving algebraic equation. The process for finding the value of variable representing unknown is called solving the equation, and the value so found is called solution of equation. How can you solve this equation? Here we see that in left side portion 4x plus 7 is given, in right side portion 35 is given. 7 is constant. First of all, we need to shift this constant term in from left side to right side. So then sign of this constant term will be changed, means plus sign here, on shifting plus 7 from left side to right side, to right minus 7. 4x is correct. On subtracting 7 from 35, we get 28. X is, so x is 4 is the quotient of, 4 is the numerical quotient of this variable x. So on shifting 4 from left side to right side, so 28 divided by this 4. We write like this, x is equal to, on dividing 28 by 4, we get 7. This is the process of solving the equation. Okay, this is called solving the equation, and the value obtained is called solution of equation. So x equals 7, 7 is called solution of this equation. Now an equation is like a balance scale. Imbalance is a balance scale. Just as two sides, left side and right side, two sides of equation. So you have two pens in a balance. Just as there is a sign of equality in equation, so there is a horizontal beam in a band, in a balance. Horizontal beam in a balance. Just as two sides are equal in equation, so the equal weight of two pens are equal in balance scale. An equation is called simple equation in which unknown is raised to the first power only, and unknown does not appear in the denominator. 4x plus 7 is equal to 5. It is called simple equation because power of unknown is 1. Means power of unknown is 1. And this variable, this unknown, does not appear in the denominator. So this is called simple equation. Means finally equation consists of equation consists of left side equal sign like this and right side. Means 4x plus 5 plus 7, this portion is left side and this is equal sign and this is right side. So this is an equation. Testing whether the value of variable found representing unknown is called checking or verifying the equation. And okay, like this. And to check value is substituted for a variable in the equation. So resulting answer of two sides are equal. Okay, like this. we on solving this question we get here 35. We get 7. This is the solution of this equation. On substituting this value in this equation, we get value of x is 7. So put this value here. 4 into 7 plus 7 is equal to 35. 4 7 28 plus 7 is equal to 35. So 35 is equal to 35. Here say that two sides are equal. So this answer, this solution is correct. Thank you.